Here we go. I'm tired of being in my garage, which is my front yard, and dropping something into the grass. Even though it's mowed, for some reason I can never find it. So I decided to buy me one of these. It is the cheapest one I could find on Amazon, and it's refurbished, I guess. I don't know. Thanks for giving this a second life. It says it pulls 8 pounds. Most of the time I just drop a 10mm socket and I need to find the darn thing. I just ripped it apart. I do really good on Amazon second chance items, so I'm hoping that this turns out the same way. It's nice that this is all metal. It's got telescopic out somehow, don't it? We'll find out. That's all that's in the box. Box was saying 13.5 inches wide, 8 pounds pull. Most likely is going to be best on concrete, but I'm using it on grass most likely. 15 to 38 inches. We used to use these when I'd redo roofs. Pick up all the nails and stuff on the ground. It worked pretty good. It's bigger than this. I was picking that up pretty good. Pretty heavy too. Feels good. Handle hole mounting. Okay. Oh, it even has threads in there. That's nice. Nothing feels plastic yet. Obviously the wheels are probably going to be the cheapest thing. Probably smells like cigarette smoke on this. Weird. The wheels, although cheap, they're even heavy too. Feel very well made. I think they're rubber clear through, like solid rubber. I don't think that's plastic and rubber. No, it's all rubber. Okay. Let's see if we can mount this all upside down. Wonder why it got returned. Wonder if this was... Okay, that goes in there. Threads into that, which is nice. If I have any problems, I'll put Loctite on it at a later time. Okay, that's probably the only thing I'm not gonna like. Oh, geez, that was hard. We're gonna leave it telescopic its whole life, but there's nothing really to lock out the telescopic part. It is pretty stiff. Hopefully it stays that way. Well, that is heavy when it's all the way out. Almost feels like it'd break the... Yeah, it would. I don't even have the wheels on there yet. Okay. They don't give you the tool, but so far I'm liking it because it's all real stuff. Okay, we got a washer. Most likely it's going to be a 10mm. Looks like a 10. They don't supply that. Doesn't look like there's a wrong way to put that on. The washer's stopping it from hurting that sleeve that's in there. And that's also a metal insert. Looks like it can come out, but it's riveted. Looks like the threads kind of keep it a little bit loose. Oh, it's a lock nut in there. That's cool. I don't have a 10mm right now, so I guess I can't finish this job. It being a lock nut in there is super nice, which means once you thread it in, it shouldn't really loosen up on you. That's all I can do right now because I don't have a 10mm. So let's see if it picks up my... Picked it up, but then dropped it. What else is in there? Oh, there's a washer for the inside. Guess I'm gonna have to put a washer on the inside. I'll do that off video then. See if it'll pick up my... Will it actually hold it? I think it's probably more aluminum than metal. I'm guessing the joints are probably metal, but the rest of it's aluminum, so shouldn't pick that up anyways. Do I have anything around here? There's more aluminum. Nope, that's it. Oh, we're back. We're just gonna finish it all. Turns out it was a 10mm. Oh, I just dropped something and it magnetized right to it. Look at that. It is a 10 millimeter. And you can over tighten this to where the wheel doesn't move. So tighten it to where the wheel doesn't move with a 10 millimeter, and then just back it off with just a little bit. See, there it's tight. There's still gap in there, but the wheel does not spin freely. So I'm just going to back that off just a little bit. Look at that. Now it can wheel around everywhere. I already did the other one off camera. Okay, it looks like it's magnetized on both sides. Let's see if it can pick up. That's pretty heavy. Let's see if it picks up something small. This is the smallest socket I got in my set. We'll pick it up from there. Yep. Yep. That's about all I could show you because everybody's going to use this differently and my testing's kind of subjective. So there you go. I feel like it's magnetized on both sides, which is great. The top side isn't as magnetized. That's the strongest side so far. That's the weakest. So this right here is the strongest. But you could also put your own magnets on here and make it stronger.